The Mercedes-Benz 540K is an icon of automotive history, representing the height of luxury, elegance, and engineering in the 1930s. Known for its striking design and powerful performance, the 540K was one of the most sought-after vehicles of its era. With only 419 units produced, and only 58 of them being roadsters, the 540K has become an extraordinarily rare collector's item, with prices regularly hitting seven figures at auctions. The most expensive example ever sold was a 1937 Mercedes-Benz 540K, which fetched a staggering $9.9 million in 2022. However, what if we told you that a Mercedes-Benz 540K was produced in 1984? At first glance, that seems impossible, as the original model ceased production after World War II. So, how could there be a 540K from the 1980s? The answer lies in the fascinating world of recreation models. This 1984 Mercedes-Benz 540K is not an original but a faithful recreation of the iconic pre-war masterpiece. The car was designed by Friedrich Geiger, the same man responsible for the Mercedes 300 SL Gullwing, another legendary creation. Geiger's vision was to bring the classic 540K back to life, retaining every detail and curve that made the original so iconic while offering a more modern foundation. The 1984 model is a tribute to the 1930s Roadster, blending vintage vibes with 1980s craftsmanship. Despite its modern construction, this recreation closely mirrors the original 540K in both its appearance and design. The car is painted in silver, paired with a beautiful burgundy interior that is equally evocative of the luxury the 540K was known for. The red leather seats and doorcards, along with the wood veneer dashboard, give it a classic, upscale look. It even rides on white wall tires, adding to its retro aesthetic. Underneath the hood, however, is a mystery. The listing for this 1984 recreation does not disclose the specifics of the engine, leaving enthusiasts guessing about what powers this striking replica. The original 540K was equipped with a 5.4-liter straight-eight engine that generated 115 horsepower. With the addition of a Ruth supercharger, that figure increased to 180 horsepower, giving the car the performance to match its luxurious styling. While we may never know the exact powertrain of this 1984 model, we can safely assume that it was built to honor the spirit of the original. The fact that this car is nearly 41 years old and still in excellent condition speaks to the care and quality that went into its design and construction. The chassis and underbody are reported to be in great shape, with no signs of wear, ensuring that it remains a reliable vehicle to drive and enjoy. The recreation model was first registered in 1984 and has Belgian documentation. Its aesthetic fidelity to the 1930s original makes it an intriguing piece for collectors, especially those who may never be able to afford an actual 540K. With the real deal often fetching millions at auction, a well-crafted recreation offers an accessible alternative for those who want to own a piece of automotive history without breaking the bank. This particular 1984 Mercedes-Benz 540K recreation is set to go under the hammer on March 25, and it will be interesting to see how high the bidding goes. Despite being a modern recreation, it is still expected to attract significant interest from collectors and car enthusiasts. While it might not reach the astronomical prices of an original 540K, it stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of Mercedes-Benz classic designs. Whether you're a fan of vintage cars or simply fascinated by the story of automotive recreations, this 1984 Mercedes-Benz 540K offers a unique opportunity to experience the elegance and charm of one of the most beautiful cars ever built, without needing to pay millions for the real thing.